Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, ASRAAM missiles. An update. The Indian Air Force is gearing up for a major boost in its short-range combat capabilities with the planned acquisition of additional advanced short-range air-to-air missile, that is ASRAAM. The domestically manufactured weapon system marks a significant step towards self-reliance in military technology and open doors for future export. The ASRAAM is a highly maneuverable within visual range missile designed for dogfighting. It serves as the IAF's go-to weapon for close quarters aerial combat, ensuring the safety of pilots and the effectiveness of their missions. Next, Cannon launched missile ready for production. The DRDO has announced a critical milestone. The 120 cannon launched missile development program known as SAMHO, SAMHO, has successfully completed all trials and is now ready for production. This marks a significant advancement in India's anti-tank warfare capabilities. Designed for deployment on the Arjun main battle tank, SAMHO packs a powerful punch against modern and future armored threats. Next, cutting-edge smoke grenade. DRDO is taking smoke protection to the next level with its cutting-edge new-age smoke protection system. This innovative technology promises to revolutionize battlefield defense, offering light military and civilian vehicles unprecedented protection against unexpected attacks. DRDO's existing 81 anti-thermal anti-laser smoke grenade, while effecting in blinding enemy tanks with thermal imaging and laser equipment, has limitations. Next, Rafale's fast-track negotiations after election. In a significant development for India's air defense capabilities, India and France have agreed to expedite price negotiations for the purchase of 26 Rafale marine fighter jets. Both nations acknowledge the importance of the deal and have opted to prioritize it after the upcoming general election in India. Next, Azad Engineering soars into defense manufacturing. In a landmark move that promises to propel India's defense manufacturing to new heights, Rolls-Royce, the renowned British engine manufacturer, has forged a 7-year strategic partnership with Hyderabad-based Azad Engineering. This groundbreaking collaboration will see Azad Engineering manufacture crucial components for Rolls-Royce cutting-edge defense aircraft engines, marking a significant leap for India's self-reliance in the aerospace sector. Next, Kudankulam NPP Unit 4 reaches major milestone, that is Reactor vessel installed. Marking a major milestone in India's clean energy drive, the Kudankulam nuclear power plant, that is KKNPP, has successfully installed the reactor vessel for its Unit 4. This accomplishment, announced by Russia's state nuclear corporation Rostom, paves the way for significant progress in the Indo-Russian collaboration project. Thank you.